there, everybody. Thomas with Basecamp Trading. It is Monday, September 17th, and we're going to take a look here really quick at the Nasdaq and a setup we watched and traded this morning that occurred on a 30-minute price chart. Now, it occurred not only in the Nasdaq, but it also happened in the Russell and the S&P. And that was, we were looking at a compression, an overnight compression from last night that then broke out right after the stock market opened first thing this morning. So the compression, the reason we could tell it was in compression is you just look at your price chart and you see how your open and closing range is very, very tight. And what we do is we'll look for the pivot high and the pivot low, the highest high and the lowest low of that range. And we say, okay, our breakout will occur when we break out of this range. Now, remember, just like always, ideally, we want to see weakening momentum going into that breakout. So in this case, we had a bearish breakout in the Nasdaq that followed through very nicely. But look at your momentum leading up to it. So here's where the breakout occurred. But on the way up to that, our down swings were picking up strength. You can tell that by the depth of the histograms on the MQ momentum. And our upswings were weakening. So we had very little upside strength because the histograms had very little height to them. But the depth of the downswings was picking up and increasing, which means the sellers were coming in with more strength than the buyers were. Not only that, our indicator line was putting in lower highs and lower lows as well on the way down to that breakout, showing us that the momentum trend was shifting to the downside. So all that goes together to say, hey, this is a good short entry on that support break, combined with the fact that we had well-defined support because we had tested it 4 different times over the night session. All gives you a really good setup for a short entry. Played out beautifully. So keep your eye out for this type of setup. Look for that compression over the night session, then look at the highest high and the lowest low, confirm the breakout with momentum, and then you have a nice channel or compression breakout to trade first thing in the morning. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to browse the channel. You can check out, there's a lot of different videos here explaining different setups and how they work and what we're looking at when we're trading these markets. Also, make sure you subscribe. And if you want to check out the Trading Room Live, there's a link in the description where you can join for $7. So that's it for today. I'll see you in the next one. Until next time, everybody, happy trading.